Hi everyone, this is Ella from Samking Company. Today we will introduce the glue lemon silicone mat, which is for our own mount. This mount is for iPhone X, iPhone X Max. The 18 silicone mat for iPhone X, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max. Now, let me go ahead for the specification. Okay. First, we need to spread the screen. First, we open the screen on the spread machine. And we will use the settle wheel to spray it. Yeah, we should spray it on this way. About the flex, we will start from the corner or this corner. About this steel wheel, we suggest the 0.06 millimeter to spread it. When you spray it, please not too slow and slow. Yeah, from the corner and keep slow. Keep it slow, and please note to make the steel wheel to down. If you think it couldn't spread it by one time, you could repeat it to spread it well. Yeah, it has sprayed well. Now we need to use this silicone mat to fix the screen. And we will use the glue removal. We use the glue removal to remove the glue. We are use the glue remove tool to remove the glue. Okay, we have finished to remove the glues. Now we will use the alcohol to wash the screen. It's okay. We have finished. It's like the nails.